Hello everyone. Today we'll move on to the next topic of your dynamic programming. One more method, that is multi-stage graph. It is very important. Okay, graph, you know, it is a directed graph or the undirected graph. But here multi-stage graph means here a multi-stage graph is a directed weighted graph. It should be directed and it should have a weight on each and every edges. Okay, multi-stage graph is directed weighted graph. And here each vertices are partitioned into k greater than or equal to 2 disjoint sets. Means each vertex you can just partition. See here 1 it is partitioned into 3. 2 only 1. 3 it is 2. Like that it can be partitioned. Okay. It is k greater than or equal to 1 disjoint sets. Here the vertex, first vertex what we have, this one we consider as S or the source vertex, and the last vertex we call it as T, and this is called as destination or sink. Okay, the vertex S is the source and T is sink. Here this problem, why we use this multi-stage graph, here this multi-stage problem is used to find the minimum cost path from source to destination. See here from source you can just go to 2, from 2 you can go to 5, from 5 to 7, or else so 1 to 3, 3 to either 5 or 6, and then to 7. Then 1 to 4, 4 to 6 and 7. Here among this which is minimum, you have to find out the minimum cost, and then you have to just move this one. Here one more thing you have to just remember, all the vertices are scattered with respect to the stages. Here this first vertex, this is called as stage 1, and here this is called as stage 2, this is called as stage 3, and this is called as stage 4. Always you have to remember, in the first stage and the last stage, it may be nth stage, only one vertices will be present, that is source and destination. Always the first and the last stage will be consisting of only one vertex. But in the intermediate stages you can have any number of vertices. We don't have any restriction on the number of vertices in the intermediate stages. You can have any number of vertices. If you want to just calculate the minimum cost, it is very important to take the stages. In stage 2, stage 3, like that you have to just specify the stage. Now I'll just tell you the formula, how we have to just write the formula for this one. Using with this formula only we have to just find out the cost. Cost of I comma j is equals to min of C of j comma L plus cost of I plus 1 comma L. Don't get confused. Here I will represent the stage number, in which stage the particular vertex is present, whether in stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 or stage 4, like that stage number it will specify, and j is the vertex number. For example, if I want to find out the cost for 2, okay, how you will write cost of 2 comma 2, in stage 2 vertex 2 is present. Okay, here we have C of j comma L. See, from 1 to 7 if you have to find out the value, from 1 to 2 you have to go, 2 to 5, 5 to 7 I have told, is it not? If I am taking 2, in between 2 and 5 what will be the cost, that you have to find out, is it not? So here j is the vertex number, the current vertex number what I am taking, and L is the next vertex number. L is the next vertex number. Okay, plus cost of I plus 1, that is here stage 2, I am in stage 2 but 5 is in stage 3, so I am doing I plus 1, next stage comma L, this particular vertex cost you have to just write. While doing the problems you will come to know how you have to just do this one. For now you just understand I is the stage number, j is the vertex number. Here j is vertex and L is the next vertex we are considering. Next vertex means it will be next stage, so I am taking I plus 1, cost of I plus 1 comma L, that particular vertex. Okay, this is how you have to just remember with respect to multi-stage graph. This is very important. Now we'll go for the problem of this multi-stage graph. Okay, let us start with the problem. This is the problem they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, here 1 is yes, and then 12 is T. Source in the destination, or you can say it is sink. Is it not? Then here all other things are stages. This is source, yes, and this is T sink. Here this is in stage 1, this is stage 2, yes 1, yes 2, this is stage 3, this is stage 4, and this is stage 5. We have just find out the stages. Now I'll just write the table. Here I'll be having vertex, cost, and D, that is the destination where it is reaching. The vertex 1 on cost, on some cost it will be reaching somewhere with minimum cost, that I have to just write. Okay, this is the table. You have to just frequently update this table. Right, now here if I start from 1, it is very confusing, because from 1 we have so many, means from 1 we have 4, again with this 2 or 3 edges we have. So here what we will do is we will just use the backward technique, that is I'll start from 12. Okay, I'll start from 12, that is sink, by using this formula. What is the formula? Cost of ij is equals to min of c of j comma l plus cost of I plus 1 comma l. Here in this cost of ij, if I consider, what you will get? Cost of I means stage. In which stage it is there? 5th stage. What is the vertex? It is 12. Is it not? If I want to take L, then it should have a next vertex. There is no next vertex here. I cannot just take anything. I plus 1 comma L, again here also next vertex is needed. From 12 we don't have any other edges, so 12 value will be equal to 0 and it will remain in 12 itself. It is not going anywhere. So here in this table I'll just update cost is 0 itself and it will remain in 12 itself. Okay, like this I'll just update. And next what you have to do, after 12 what we have? 9, 10 and then 11. Is it not? 9, 10 and 11. I have to just find out the cost for this 9, 10 and 11. How will you just find out? Yes, see here. For this one, how I will do is, cost of I stage 4 vertex 9. Here I have to just take the cost of this vertex to another vertex. There is no direct, we are just reaching to what? Destination. So no need to take the next vertex because we know already it is 0. Is it not? So no need to just calculate with respect to the formula. Directly you can just write the cost of this one. Cost is 4. Then cost of stage 4 10th vertex, it is 2. Then cost of stage 4 11th vertex, it is 5. I have written. Is it not? If it is reaching directly to the destination, then no need to apply the formula. If it is reaching to some other vertex, then you have to apply formula. If it is reaching to destination directly, then no need to apply the formula. Now on 9, where it is going? Towards 12. On 10, 12. 11, again it is 12. What are the cost? 4, 2 and 5. So I'll just update this here. What is the cost of 9? It is 4 and it is reaching to 12. See, 4 and 12. 10, 2 towards 12. 2 and then towards 12. 11, 5 towards 12. This is destination, it is not going anywhere, there is no cost, so I have taken 0. These vertices, it is directly going to the destination, not for the other vertices, so I am taking the cost directly. That is 4, 2 and 5. If these vertices are going to some other vertex, then you have to apply formula. That I will come for the next stage. That is for stage 3. Next, after this 4th stage, what is there? 3rd stage is there. Is it not? So now you have to find out cost of stage 3 sixth vertex. Cost of stage 3 sixth vertex. Is it not? Here the sixth vertex is having two different edges. You have to find out the minimum between these two. By seeing you can say it is 5, but it is not like that. From 6 to 12 you have to find out, not from 6 to 10 or 6 to 9. Because I have to reach till destination through these vertices. Remember, okay? So here also I can just say 5 plus 2, 7. It is 6 plus 4, 10. It is 5 plus 2, 7 is the minimum. But directly you cannot take for big problems, is it not? I'll just show you how you have to do this with formula. Yes. What is the formula? You have to just take minimum of C of J. What is J? It is 6, comma L. L means the next vertex. Next vertex, one is 9 and one is 10. First I'll take for 9, then I'll go for 10. 6, comma 9 plus cost of I plus 1. What is the stage? Stage here we have taken I is equals to 3. Now I plus 1 means it is 4 because cost of the next vertex you have to take, which is reaching towards the sink. So where it is this 9, it is in stage 4. I plus 1 stage 4. What is the cost? The cost is the cost of this 9. L means the next vertex. Here L means the next vertex. Here L I have taken it as 9. Okay. In the same way, comma C of J, that is 6 itself, but next vertex is 10 because from 6 we have two edges towards 9 and towards 10. So 6, comma 10 plus cost of I plus 1, this remains the same, 4, but what is L? L is 10, 4, comma 10. Yes. So here how I'll just take this one, minimum of, yes, 6 to 9. See, cost of 6 to 9. What is the cost of 6 to 9? It is 6 plus in fourth stage, cost of 9 in fourth stage. Cost of 9 is what? Here it is 4. Comma, in the same way, cost from 6 to 10. From 6 to 10, what is the cost? It is 5. From 10 to 12, what is the cost? Here you take it. From 10 to 12, cost is 2. This is 10. This is 7. Which is minimum? 7 is minimum. So, cost from third stage, sixth vertex is 7. From which vertex you got it? 5 plus 2 means it is from the vertex 10. See here. From 6 to 10 is 5. Then 10 to 12 is 2. 5 plus 2 we have got from 10. 6. Then from 6 where you have to go? To 10 you have to go. What is the cost? The cost is 7. You should not take this as 5. Cost as 5, remember. You should not take cost as 5. You have to take this cost, what we have calculated. This is from 6 to 12, it is 7. So update it in this one. What is the cost? It is 7. Destination, it is reaching to 10. From 6 to 10, 10 to 12. Next, in the same way, I have to just take the cost for 7. Cost of, see, stage, third stage, 7th vertex. 3, 7. How many edges are there from 7? Towards 9 and towards 10. Again, 2. So, min C of 6, that is J, is 7 now. From 7 where it is going? 9. L, the next vertex, plus cost of 9 is present in fourth stage. Here also I is 3. So I plus 1 is 4, then 9, comma C of 7, comma 10. Because 7 it is going to 10 now. 10 is in which stage? Fourth stage. Plus cost of 4, comma 10. Now again I'll take min 7 to 9. 7 to 9. What is the cost? It is 4. Plus here from 9. What is the cost? It is 4. Once the cost is updated in this table, then you have to check the cost of this table, not here. Okay. Cost of 9 is 4. It is 4 plus 4. And then from 7 to 10. 7 to 10. What is the cost? It is 3. Plus cost of 10 is what? It is 2. 3 plus 2. It is 5. 9 is giving 8. 10 is giving 5. Which is minimum? 5 is minimum. Again, if you come from 7 also, you have to go through 10 only. See? This will give you 4 plus 4, 8. But 7 to 10, 10 to 12, it will give you 5. So from 7, I have to go to 10. But the cost is 5. Update that. 7, cost is 5 and the destination is 10. From 7 to 10 you have to go. In the same way calculate for 8. Cost of 3, 8. In stage 3, 8th vertex I am taking. Min C of 8, from 8 where it is going? 10 and 11. See here, 8 to 10 and 8 to 11. So which is the next vertex? 10. One more is 8 to 11. Plus cost of 4th stage. What is the cost of this 11? It is 5. 4, 11. Sorry, here I am taking it for 10. 4th stage 10 plus here cost again 11 is present in 4th stage, then it is 11. So here minimum of 8 to 10. What is the cost? From 8 to 10 it is 5 plus 10th vertex cost is what? 2. 8 to 11, what is the cost? It is 6 plus 11th vertex cost is what? 5. You will get 7, 11. 7 I am getting from 10th vertex. 11 I am getting from 11th vertex. So which is minimum? 10. So where you have to go? You have to go to, means the minimum cost is 10 and it is 7 and it is going to 10. So vertex 8, minimum cost 7 to 10. See here, 5 to 7, it is 11. This is the minimum path. So 8 cost is 7 and it is going to 10. Now we have done with all the vertices in stage 3, 6, 7 and 8. See in stage 3, 6, 7 and 8. Let us move for stage 2. 2, 3, 4, 5 we have. First I will go with 2. Now with respect to the formula, cost stage 2 vertex 2. Stage 2 vertex 2 I am taking. This is I, this is J. Stage in vertex. Stage is I and vertex is 2. J. Then C of J, L. 2, from 2 I am going to 6, 7 and 8. For 3 vertices it is going 6, 7 and 8. So 2 to 6, 2 to 7, 2 to 8 I have to take. Because from 2 it is going to 3 different vertices. So I have to just take 3 different things over here. See, from 2 to 6, 7, 8. First I'll go with 6. Then cost of 6 is present in which stage? Stage 3. The vertex is 6. Stage 3. The vertex is 6. Next again 7 is also present in stage 3. Then cost of 7 you have to take. Then 8 is also present in stage 3. Then 8 we have to take. Now minimum of 2 to 6. What is 2 to 6? It is 4. Plus, what is cost of 6 in stage 3? Cost of 6 we have find out here. Cost of 6 is 7. You have to take this. Cost of 6 it is already find out, that is 7. 4 plus 7. Next for this one, from 2 to 7, 2 to 7 it is 2. 2 plus, what is cost of 7 in stage 3? Cost of 7 is 5. Again I am telling cost of 7 you should not go for the graph, you have to go for your table, because there we have already find out the minimum cost from 7 till 12. So again cost of 2 to 8. 2 to 8 it is 1 plus, what is the cost of 8? It is 7. So I have got it as 11, 7 and then 8. Which is minimum among these? 7 is minimum. Again I have got the value 7 from which vertex? 7 only. On 7 minimum value I am reaching to 7, that is from 2 to 7. See here you can just see from 2 to, visually if I see which is minimum, 2 to 8 is minimum 1, but this will give you the highest value towards the destination. So only you have to check with respect to formula. See now I am getting 7, the destination 7 and minimum value is 7. See this value is with respect to 6, this value is with respect to 7, this value is with respect to 8. So I am getting value 7 from this one. So 7 is the destination. So update in table. Cost is what? 7. Destination is what? It is 7. Okay. Next we'll go for the next thing, that is 3 in stage 2. Next 3 in stage 2. What I have to write? Cost of, in stage 2, I is stage, that is 2, vertex is 3. Cost of 2, 3. Minimum of, first you find out from 3 how many edges are going. From 3 towards 6 and towards 7. Only 2 edges, 6 and 7. First I will write C of 3, 6, C of 3, 7. That is from 3 to 6, 3 to 7. See 3 to 6, 3 to 7. Plus cost of the next vertex. Is it not? From 3 to 6 I am taking first. 6 is present in 4th stage. 6 is present in 3rd stage. 3, 6 plus cost of the vertex 7 which is present in 3rd stage. Okay. So minimum of, how you have to take? From 3 to 6. What is the cost from 3 to 6? It is 2 plus, what is the cost of 6? See, cost of 6 is 7. Okay, cost of 6 is 7 you have to take. So 2 plus 7. Next 3 to 7. From 3 to 7 it is 7 plus, what is cost of 7? It is already present, that is 5. it is 12. This is 9 and this is 12. Which is minimum? 9 is minimum. With respect to 6 I have got. From 3 you have to go to 6. The value is, the cost is 9. Okay. Now update here. What is the cost? 9. From which vertex you got it? From vertex 6. Okay. Next. Which is the next vertex? 4 is the next vertex. Cost of vertex 4 in stage 2. From 4, where it is going? Only one, that is 8. C of 4, 8. That is the current vertex. This is the next vertex. From 4 to 8. Only one edge it is going. Plus cost of 8 is present in stage 3. Okay. So no need to find out the minimum. Only one means directly you have to write. From 4 to 8, what is the path? That is 11. Plus what is the cost of 8? It is 7. Plus 7, this is 18. Okay. Now from 4 I am going to 18 on cost. Sorry, from 4 I am going to 8 on cost 18. So cost is 18 and then I am going to 8. Okay. Next 5. From 5 I have towards 2 vertices, that is 7 and 8. I will take cost of vertex 5 in stage 2. Then from 5 to 7 I have 1 and from 5 to 8 I have 1. Plus cost of 7 which is present in stage 3. Plus cost of 8 which is present in stage 3. Okay. From 5 to 7, what is the cost? It is 11. Min 11 plus what is the cost of 7 in table? It is 5. 11 plus 5, 5 to 8, what is the cost? It is 8. 8, what is the cost in table? It is 7. So here, how much you will get? This is 16 and this is 15. Which is minimum? 15 is minimum. From which edge? From 8 you have got. Again, 5 will go to 8 on cost 15. Cost is 15 and it will go to 8. Now we have left out only with one vertex. That is the source. From source you have to decide to which vertex it has to go in order to just reach the destination with minimum cost. See, from 1 I have edges to 4 vertices, 2, 3, 4, 5. That you have to find out. Cost of vertex 1 which is present at stage 1. Vertex 1, stage 1. So you have to find out min of C of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, because 1 is going to all these 4 vertices. See, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step, cost of 2 which is present in stage 2. Cost of 3 which is present in stage 2. Cost of 4 which is present in stage 2. Cost of 5 which is present in stage 2. Okay, now I'll take min for first 1 to 2. What is the value? It is 9. Plus what is the cost of 2 in table? It is 7. Okay, now from 1 to 3 it is 7. plus cost of 3 in table, it is 9. From 1 to 4, it is 3 plus cost of 4, it is 18. From 1 to 5, it is 2. Cost of 5 is 50. So what values you will get? 16. This is also 16. This is 21. This is 17. Which is minimum? 16 and 16. 2 you have. What is the meaning of this? Either you can go to vertex 3, vertex 2 or vertex 3. You have two options. If you go to 2 also, you'll get the same cost. If you go to 3 also, you'll get the same cost. Okay. See, by just to see here, 2 and 3 are minimum, but these two are not at all there in the list. This is what we have to use the formulas. Okay. Now here in table, I'll just update. Cost is 16. It can either go to 2 or 3. Okay. Now we have just find out the D value, destinations for all these things, is it not? But among this, which is minimum, you have to just find out that one. That you can just find out by using this D. Now I'll go from the forward technique, that is from source to destination. See here in D, again D of 1, that is stage 1, vertex 1, because you have to take the first vertex. First vertex is present in stage 1. This is stage, this is vertex, don't get confused. Vertex 1 in stage 1. Where it is going, you can either go to 2 or 3. No problem. I'll just show you both. First I'll take 2. D of 1, 1 is equals to 2. Okay. Next, where I'm going? Towards vertex 2. This is not the cost, this is also vertex. 2 is present in which stage? 2 is present in second stage. So stage 2, vertex 2. Vertex 2, where it is going? To the destination 7. I'll write 7. Now 7 is present in which stage? Third stage. Stage 3, vertex 7. Come to vertex 7. Where it is going? Towards 10. 10. Then 10 is present at fourth stage. Stage 4, vertex 10. 10 is going to 12. It is 12. Okay. So, what is the path? From 1 to 2, 2 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 12. What is the cost here? From 1 to 2 I am going, it is 9 plus 2 to 7 I am going, it is 2. Then 7 to 10 I am going, it is 3 plus 10 to 2, 12, it is 2. 9 plus 2, 11, 14, 16. Now I'll take one more possibility, either 2 or 3. Already I have taken 2, now I'll take 3. Vertex 1, stage 1, it will go to 3. 3 is in stage 2. 3, where it is going? Towards 6. Then 6 is in stage 3. 6, where it is going? To 10. 10 is in fourth stage. Where it is going? It is going to 12, you know. What is the path? 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 12. Now just check the cost. 1 to 3 it is going. 1 to 3 it is 7. Plus 3 to 6 it is 2. From 6 to 10 it is 5. 10 to 12 it is 2. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 2 16. Minimum cost is 16. Wherever you go you will get 16. So in this graph you have to just mention that one. You have to just highlight this. I'll take this path. 1 to 2. From 2 to 2 to 7. 7 to 10. 10 to 12. This completes your multi-stage graph. This is the minimum path I got from source to sink or from source to destination. Why we call this as a multi-stage means here all the vertices will be present at different stages. So we consider this as multi-stage graph. Okay. Thank you.